So we start off with this beautiful pixie makeover. Nice shaven sides and nape area. And then we see someone with very long hair. Oh, she ended up getting a bob. Wow. Such a drastic transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature your favorite hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of a new hairstyle or doing something different with your strands, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist might be doing a pixie with this particular transformation. So the stylist did leave the bangs long. She has a lot of hair to play around with. This is so cute and chic. Next up, looks like we have a DIY pixie. So she already has her hair. Looks like she's like growing out her pixie and she's just kind of trimming it up, touching it up. And this would simply be a process that you would do in between going to the salon. And then we see someone with hair just a bit past their shoulders. There's the before Wow, she ended up going super short with this pixie. Now that is definitely a drastic transformation. And then we have someone rocking the ash blonde trend. I absolutely adore this color on her. And she's giving us a nice 360 view of her pixie. Gorgeous. I love her hair. So here we have someone that starts off with a pixie. Now her pixie is really cute, chic, fun, but I guess she decided she wanted something different. So you guys know exactly what that means. She is going to be rocking the shaven hair trend, doing a little bit of a buzz cut here. I feel like though this woman has like a really beautiful face, so she can pretty much pull off any hairstyle she desired. She would look good with long hair, short hair, it wouldn't matter. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.